Hey everyone, want to upload files to your Mega account? In this video, I'll show you how to upload files to Mega step by step. Yeah, whether you're backing up important documents, sharing photos, or storing large files in the cloud, this guide will help you get started. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged in before attempting to upload any files. Next, open the folder in your Mega cloud storage where you want your files to be saved. Organizing your uploads into folders makes them much easier to find later. Now click the Upload button. Depending on what you want to add, choose File Upload to upload individual files or Folder Upload to upload an entire folder. After that, browse your computer and select the file or folder you want to upload. Click Open or select Folder to begin the upload process. Mega will start uploading your files automatically. You can monitor the upload progress from the transfer panel. Larger files may take a little longer depending on your internet speed. Wait until the upload is complete before closing your browser or the Mega application. Once finished, your files will appear in your selected cloud storage folder. If an upload fails, check your internet connection, available Mega storage space, and file size. So, retrain the upload after fixing these issues usually solves the problem. You can also drag and drop files directly into the Mega browser window to upload them even faster. And that's how you upload files to Mega. With your files safely stored in the cloud, you can access them from almost anywhere and easily share them whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.